up here on... Oh, hello. We've got all the Christmas signs up. So we're heading towards the theme park for the shop, but on the left we actually have the hotel. And parking for the hotel is on the right. This is my favourite bit because I spent every time as a child I would like look at these letters and be like, what are they spelling? Because the logical thing to me would always be that it would spell Legoland, but it doesn't spell Legoland, and they are out of order as well, so it's like a fun little anagram to confuse everyone. A different car park to what they had as parking last time, but we shall go with it. Here we go. So good morning, well no, it's actually good afternoon and welcome to the car park of Legoland Windsor. Today is the 20th of November, and for 2022, on the 19th and 20th of November, Legoland actually has opened its shop between 10 AM and 3 PM so that people can do some Christmas shopping without having to pay to go into the park. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to go in, and I'm hoping, because they did this shopping event last year, I'm hoping that they're going to have their Christmas tree up and some of their Christmas stuff in the beginning. It is only the beginning that's open. Last time they did have a coffee place open as well as the shop, but it is essentially just the shop is open. That's it. So we're going to go in and check it out. Here we go. So normally when you come into Legoland, they do a security check right here. And here is the sign. So, just so you can see here, parking, £8 for general parking, £16 for priority parking. Oh, and they do have the Christmas tree up. I'm really pleased And it does look like their coffee shop is open as well. So I might go and have a poke around there. So if you're getting your ride access pass, that would be where you'd go, and there are toilets there. And here is that gorgeous Christmas tree. So you can actually see where they've got it blocked off. So last year they actually had this bit open, but actually this is a really good day for view as well. Over to the left you can see Windsor Castle. So the Arch Wembley, City of London, the skyscraper. Got the Tree of Imagination. Roots of the tree. You've got all these different scenes, which are really cool. You can actually look in some of the branches of the tree to see stuff as well. Oh, we've got the dragon. This is because they just celebrated their birthday this year. 14 magnets. Oh my goodness, we've got all. Oh, there's a giant dragon. We've got all the toys here. Keychains. Do we think there are enough keychains? We have a lot of plushes. Okay, so I'm back in the car now. Having done a little bit of shopping. What did I think of it this year compared to last year? So I feel like last year was slightly better than this year. Part of that is just to do with what stock they had. But it's very difficult to explain because it's a weird feeling walking in to a totally deserted theme park, right? But despite that, I feel like last year I had a touch more ambience. Like I just popped into the coffee shop at the end and there was like literally nothing there other than drinks, and they were selling the same drinks in the shop. So I'm like, why even bother opening that if you're not serving anything other than the cold drinks you're serving in the shop? Bit weird if you ask me. But I'm glad I came. And one thing's for sure, looking at the different stock they've got in there, if there is a particular set you're looking for and they're sold out of it on the Lego website, definitely worth a trip, because they do have stuff that they are sold out of online. Some of the slightly rarer sets. Equally though, there were loads of sets they did not have that you would easily find online. The other thing that's worth mentioning, and this was the same thing last year, is that the weekend that they open the Legoland store is also the same weekend that they do the Lego VIP sale on the website. So right now, if you're a Lego store VIP member, you can get a whole load of different discounts. extra points which you can use towards Legoland tickets, money off, etc. It's kind of it's a reward scheme basically, but it's totally free to join, and it's instant membership. So, you know, did I get stuff that I could not find in the Lego store? Yes, I did. Did I get stuff that where I can't really justify paying for the postage at the Lego store? Yes, I did. So I got, first of all, I got this lovely bag, which totally looks like a knockoff of Disney's theme park bags, where they've got like the 4 pictures, but you know, whatever. Quite expensive, the bag, $5.99. Like, that's quite a lot for a reusable bag. So I picked up one of these bag tags. Now, for whatever reason, you can usually get bag tags in the store, but they've been a bit more limited recently. And I was looking for one that wasn't Star Wars for once, because most of mine are all Star Wars related or Christmas related. So I got the hot dog guy bag tag. That was the only bag tag they had, I should say. I also got, which I've been eyeing up on the website for a while, and because I love a reusable drink vessel, and I picked up the reusable drinking bottle, which is dishwasher safe. Yay, because I love a dishwasher safe one. They had red, they had blue, they had, what do they call it, Hydra, which was what I'd call army green on the top and clear on the bottom. That was, I think, $14.99. So none of this stuff is like particularly cheap. And then I couldn't resist him. I did get the birthday Ollie the dragon, because he's so cute and he's got a little cupcake. So this is something where it's a prime example of, like, I didn't come to Legoland at all this year. They were celebrating their anniversary. I couldn't get any of the anniversary stuff because you can't get it unless you go. But they had this here. So yeah, that was my little mini haul of what I've purchased at this event. So if you're local to, or relatively local to Windsor, i.e. it would be your closest Lego store, it's nice to do a little trip. But as I say, if you're buying regular sets, do yourself a favour and buy them online. This is really good if you're trying to buy Legoland stuff, or as I say, stuff that perhaps is sold out on the website. Checking here, last year the advent calendars, the Lego advent calendars, were all sold out like everywhere. And I walked into here and it was like a wall of advent calendars of all of them, like all the sold out ones. This year they had like 3 Harry Potter ones and 3 Lego City ones, and that was it. So it just shows you like the difference between this year and last year. So I guess people over Halloween really got into buying their Lego advent calendars, because I think they're still available on the website. I don't think they're sold out. So it's, you know, that's the way it works, I guess. So great day, and I say worth a trip out if you're not too far. And just for the record, you cannot use your Lego VIP membership at Legoland, but if you are a Merlin or Legoland annual pass holder, you can still get a discount at this. So again, worth knowing that. And say if you want to see the Lego Christmas tree but don't want to get paid to go to the actual Lego normal season, it's free to get your picture with the Lego Christmas tree. Now last year they actually did this same weekend. They were doing the Lego Santa meet and greets. They don't have that. It looks like the hotel is shut up at the moment. So it's interesting, because I thought that was quite a nice touch, being able to go meet Lego Santa. We didn't, but I just thought it was a nice touch. But as I say, they don't have that this year. So yeah, that's our trip out to Legoland. If you like this video, click the thumbs up, and please consider subscribing if you enjoy this video. We've got loads of other videos you've probably seen. I've been posting ride-throughs from Disney every Sunday at 4 o'clock, and we've still got way more of those to come. And hopefully I'll be posting some Disney cruise and Disney parks videos very soon, in addition to those ride-throughs. So good to see you all. Hey, and we'll see you next time. Bye.